Good afternoon, students. I hope you all are fine, in good health, and you are enjoying my English class on this digital platform. So, I welcome you on this digital platform of learning. We were doing lesson 4 from Moments in the Kingdom of Fools. So, I will be continuing that lesson today also. So, let us go on to in the Kingdom of Fools. So, already I have taught you till this slide. Still, I want to tell you what I have taught you earlier in the last class. Then I will continue from today's slide. Okay? So, we saw that the king's men caught the disciple, okay, and the disciple was brought to the kingdom and he was to be sentenced to death, and nobody listened to the disciple. The disciple said that he was just innocent. He hasn't done any wrong. He admitted before the king's men. But the king's men never listened to him. Okay? And the disciple was brought to the court, to the king's court. And because the stake fitted him, the king's men brought him up. They caught the disciple. Now the disciple was ready to be slaughtered, to be put to death, okay, on the stake. And on the stake, while he was about to die, he just remembered about his guru. His guru had said that that nobody knows what will happen in this kingdom, because this was a kingdom of fools. So he remembered the words spoken by the guru, and he was feeling very sorry for not listening to his guru's words. And at that time he prayed to his guru. Okay, he prayed to his guru in his heart, and the guru in vision saw everything, and the guru rushed to the disciples' place where he was going to be slaughtered, where he was going to be killed, where he was going to be put to death. So the guru rushed over there. Okay, guru rushed over there, and he asked the king, who is greater, a guru or a disciple? And the king replied, naturally the guru is greater. Then the guru just told something into the ears of the disciple, into the disciple's ears, and he told the king that he should be put to death, means the guru should be put to death because he is greater. Okay, and then his disciples should be put to death. Okay, and the disciple understood everything, what the guru has played a trick on the king. The disciple understood, and he started behaving in the same direction how the guru had dictated him to do. Okay, and then we see that the king wanted to know why the guru and the disciple, both of them wanted to die. Then the guru said that actually the person who will die on this stake will become the king of this kingdom, and the person who will die second will become the minister. Okay, so hearing this, the king was now thrown into deep thought. He started thinking deeply. Here it's written, you see. The king was thrown into deep thought. He was thrown into deep thought. And the king never wanted to lose his kingdom in somebody's hands. Okay, somebody's hands. So he ordered the executioners Okay, the person who were given the task of executing, okay, they are executioners. So he ordered the executioner that the death sentence, okay, should be, the execution should be postponed for the next day. That, I mean that the execution should be cancelled that day, and the other day the execution would take place. Okay, and then the king told his minister also that it's not right to lose our kingdom in the hands of somebody else. Okay, someone, we must not give this kingdom to somebody else. So what we have to do? We have to die on the stake. First I will die and then he will die, he told his minister. And in this way, what happens? We will see. Okay, because the king also admitted to the minister that they will be reborn as king and minister again. And the minister agreed. What happens next? Come to the next slide. So he told the executioners, we will send the criminals tonight. So the king, what he did? The king told the executioners, executioners are the person who are kept there to give punishment to the sentenced people. Okay, the sentenced person, the person who is going to die. Okay, we will send the criminals tonight. When the first man comes to you, put him to death first. So the king told the executioners that we will be sending the criminals who are supposed to be put to death tonight, that night. When the first man comes to you, put him to death first. And he also told the executioner that whoever comes first, he should be put to death first. Then do the same to the second man. And the man who will come after that, the second man also should be put to death. Means both the guru and the disciple should be put to death. He told the executioners, those are my orders, don't make any mistake. So the king said to the executioners that this is my order, you have to listen to my orders, don't say no, you must not do any mistake. Okay, the person who comes first, give him death punishment first, and the person who comes second, give him death punishment second. Okay, this is what was spoken by the king, ordered by the king to the executioners. That night the king and his minister went secretly to the prison, released the guru and disciple. And that night what happened? The king and the minister, राजा और मंत्री उस रात को क्या किए? गुप्त रूप से गए. कहां पर? They went to the prison. They went to the prison secretly. Okay, so that nobody could see them. Okay, and they released the guru and the disciple. और guru and disciple को छोड़ दिए वो लोग, free कर दिए. They freed the guru and the disciple, disguised themselves as the two, and they changed their appearance. The king and the minister changed their appearance like the guru and the disciple. Okay, so that others may think that the king and the minister are the guru and the disciple. They disguised in the form of guru and disciple. Okay, and as arranged beforehand with loyal servants, and as it was arranged beforehand, it means in advance. They arranged in advance, okay, with loyal servants, with faithful servants. Okay, it was arranged in advance with the faithful servants, were taken to the stake and promptly executed. So, जिस प्रकार से राजा ने अरेंज किया था, जैसे ऑर्डर दिया था, इस प्रकार से लॉयल सर्वेंट्स लोग उसे वैसे अरेंज करके रखा था कि पहले जो आएगा उसको मृत्यु पहले देंगे, जो दूसरा आएगा सेकंड टाइम आएगा वो दूसरी बार उसको मृत्यु देंगे। ओके, तो इसी प्रकार जिस प्रकार लॉयल सर्वेंट्स को, फेथफुल सर्वेंट्स को आदेश दिया था राजा ने एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए, उसी प्रकार ये राजा और मंत्री जो कि गुरु और शिष्य के वेशभूषा में थे, उनको ये लोग ले गए और उनको एग्जीक्यूट, दे वर एग्जीक्यूटेड, उनको भी डेथ पनिशमेंट दे दिया गया। ओके, दे वर किल्ड ऑन द स्टेक, बोथ द किंग एंड द मिनिस्टर। ओके, बिकॉज दे मिस्टूक द किंग एंड द मिनिस्टर फॉर द गुरु एंड द डिसाइपल। क्लियर? ओके, when the bodies were taken down to be thrown to the crows and vultures, the people panicked. So what happened? The guru and disciple were alive because the king and the minister, they disguised themselves as the guru and disciple. They were put to death by his servants. Okay, and then the bodies of the king and minister were thrown down to vultures and crows. Okay, and the people were panicked. The people panicked. Panicked means they were scared. They were puzzled. Okay, the people were puzzled. घबराए हुए थे, लोग घबराए हुए थे जब उन्होंने देखा, ये डेड बॉडीज को देखा, जब वल्चर्स के पास गिद्ध के सामने फेंका गया। वल्चर्स मीन्स गिद्ध, गिद्ध जो पक्षी होता है। ओके, तो लोग बहुत ही घबरा गए। राजा और मंत्री के लाश को उन्होंने देखा, तो डेड बॉडी को जब देखा तो, क्योंकि वहां का रूल था कि किसी को भी मौत की सजा देने के बाद उस व्यक्ति के लाश को, डेड बॉडी को वल्चर्स के सामने, क्रोज के सामने फेंक दिया जाता था। ठीक है, दे सॉ बिफोर देम द डेड बॉडीज ऑफ द किंग एंड द मिनिस्टर। ओके, तो लोगों ने क्या देखा, क्यों इतना घबरा गए? वाई दे वर पजल्ड, वाई दे वर स्केयर्ड, वाई दे वर फ्राइटेंड? बिकॉज they found dead bodies of the king and the minister in front of them. Who? The people of that town, that city. Okay, the city was in confusion, the city was in disturbance, the whole city was disturbed because the people were panicked. Okay, panic stricken, scenes took place, panic stricken events took place, and that's why the people were panicked. कहीं भी एकदम नेचुरल है, इट्स वेरी नेचुरल। ओके, मानो कोई मंत्री का साथ ऐसा हो जाता है, मुख्यमंत्री के साथ, तो क्या होगा? सभी लोग घबरा जाएंगे। सडनली किसी को हो, ऐसा हो जाता है, किसी को मार दिया जाता है, तो राजा और जो मिनिस्टर का जो मृत्यु हो गया, ये बहुत बड़ा शॉकिंग इंसिडेंट था, ये लोगों के लिए बहुत शॉकिंग था, इसीलिए लोग बहुत घबरा गए। All night they mourned and discussed the future of the kingdom, and whole night the people of that kingdom, they wept and cried, वो रोए, अपना दुख प्रकट किए। They wept and discussed the future of the kingdom, and the people, they talked about the future, what will be the future of their kingdom, उनके राज्य का भविष्य अब का क्या होगा, राजकाज कौन चलाएगा। दे स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग, हु विल रूल अस व्हेन द किंग एंड द मिनिस्टर आर डेड, हु विल बी आवर किंग। सो दे वर मोर्निंग फॉर दैट, दे वर वीपिंग, ओके, फॉर देयर किंग एंड मिनिस्टर। सम पीपल सडनली थॉट ऑफ द गुरु एंड द डिसाइपल। उसी समय क्या हुआ, जब लोग मातम मना रहे थे, दुख मना रहे थे, उस समय कुछ लोगों ने गुरु और डिसाइपल के बारे में सोचा। सम पीपल ऑफ द किंगडम, दे थॉट अबाउट द वाइज गुरु एंड द डिसाइपल, बिकॉज द गुरु वाज नोन फॉर हिज नॉलेज, नोन फॉर हिज विजडम, सो दे थॉट अबाउट द गुरु एंड द डिसाइपल। शिष्य और गुरु और शिष्य के बारे में लोग सोचना शुरू कर दिया। And caught up with them as they were preparing to leave town unnoticed. और कुछ लोगों ने, जिन लोगों ने गुरु और शिष्य के बारे में सोचा कि गुरु और शिष्य भी राजा और मंत्री के लायक हैं, और हम लोगों को कौन शासन करेगा, कौन इस देश को चलाएगा, इस राज्य को चलाएगा। तो क्या सोचे, गुरु और शिष्य के बारे में सोचने लगे। और जैसे वो लोग तैयारी कर रहे थे भागने के लिए इस शहर से, गुरु और शिष्य जैसे ही भागने की तैयारी कर रहे थे इस शहर को छोड़कर, एज दे वर अबाउट टू लीव दिस टाउन, दे कॉट होल्ड ऑफ द गुरु एंड द डिसाइपल। हु? द पीपल, some people of that kingdom, they caught the guru and the disciple and begged before them. Okay? उनको बहुत ही मनाने लगे, कन्विंस करने लगे। क्या करने लगे? आगे चलते हैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में। We people need a king and a minister, said someone. And in that crowd where people were talking to each other, people were just gossiping. They were showing their, what you call, they were showing that how the kingdom will run, okay, how they can live, okay, how they can live in the town, who will rule them, okay. So at that time, what happened? Someone in the crowd said, we people need a king and a minister. Others agreed. और बाकी लोग तैयार हो गए। वो लोग जब बहुत चिंतित थे, when they were very much in tension, they were very much shocked, very much in grief about the death of their king and minister. उसी समय एक व्यक्ति ने बोला, हमें एक राजा चाहिए, एक मंत्री चाहिए, ओके। एंड अदर्स अग्रीड, और सारे लोग जो भी वहां पर जमा हुए थे डिस्कस करने के लिए इस मैटर को, सारे लोग तैयार हो गए। दे बिकेम रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट दिस थिंग। दे बेग्ड द गुरु एंड द डिसाइपल टू बी देयर किंग। और वो लोग गुरु और शिष्य से प्रार्थना करने लगे। वो लोग क्या किए? गुरु और शिष्य से प्रार्थना करने लगे, हाथ जोड़कर विनती करने लगे कि आप ही मेरा गुरु रहिए, आप ही हमारे राजा बनिए और आप ही हमारे मंत्री बनिए। मतलब गुरु से कहा कि आप हमारे राजा बन जाइए, राजा संभालिए, और डिसाइपल से वे किए कि आप मंत्री बनिए, मतलब आप दोनों राजा और मंत्री बनिए, राजकाज कीजिए। It didn't take many arguments to persuade the disciple. तो उस डिसाइपल को कन्विंस करने के लिए ज्यादा समय नहीं लगा। परसुएड का मतलब होता है कन्विंस, मनाना, ठीक है। तो उस शिष्य को मनाने में ज्यादा समय नहीं लगा। लोग जो गुरु और शिष्य को राजा और मंत्री बनाना चाहते थे, तो गुरु बहुत हठी थे, बहुत जिद्दी थे, उनको ऐसे आराम की जिंदगी पसंद नहीं थी, ठीक है। लेकिन डिसाइपल को वो लोग तुरंत मना लिए। डिसाइपल तैयार हो गया। द डिसाइपल अग्रीड टू बी द मिनिस्टर। ही वाज ओवरजॉयड टू बी द मिनिस्टर ऑफ दैट किंगडम, ओके। बट द गुरु, he was actually convincing the guru was not so easy, okay. So the guru was not getting convinced, okay. But it took longer to persuade the guru, and it took much time to convince the guru to become the king of that kingdom, okay. They finally agreed to rule the kingdom of the foolish king and the silly minister. अंत में ये राजा कौन बन रहे हैं? गुरु। अंत में गुरु और शिष्य ये दोनों तैयार हो गए उस राज्य का शासन करने के लिए। कौन सा राज्य था? किंगडम ऑफ द फुलिश किंग एंड द सिली मिनिस्टर। इसका राजकाज करने के लिए तैयार हो गए, और तैयार हो गए राजा और मंत्री बनने के लिए गुरु और शिष्य। दे अग्रीड टू बी द ruler of that kingdom, okay, on the condition that they could change the old laws, and they अंडरटूक ए कंडीशन, मतलब एक कंडीशन लगा दी, एक शर्त लगा दिए। राजा गुरु ने एक शर्त लगाया कि हम लोग जो शर्तें बताएंगे, हम जो शर्त बताएंगे, इस शर्त को आप लोग अगर मानेंगे, सारे जनता से बोले कि आप लोग अगर हमारे शर्त को मानेंगे तब हम यहाँ राजा बनेंगे और मेरा शिष्य यहाँ मंत्री बनेगा। लेकिन उसके लिए कुछ शर्त है। क्या शर्त है? कि हम लोग सभी को मिलकर पुराने नियम को बदलना होगा। जो पुराना नियम चलते आ रहा है, पुराना रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन जो चलते आ रहा है इस राज्य में, इसको बदलना पड़ेगा, तभी जाकर हम राजा और हमारा शिष्य मंत्री बन पाएगा। From then on, night would again be night and day would again be day. And from that day, what happened? Night became night and day became day. Anything left? From then on, और उसी दिन से क्या हुआ? रात होने लगा और दिन होने लगा, क्योंकि ये गुरु और डिसाइपल जो कि राजा और मंत्री बने, ये पूरे सिस्टम को चेंज कर दिए। दे चेंज द होल सिस्टम of the kingdom. Okay, and from then onwards what happened? Night was changed to night and day was changed to day. मतलब दिन को दिन लोग मानने लगे और रात को रात मानने लगे। पहले जैसे वो फुलिस राजा और मंत्री थे, उस समय रात को दिन और दिन को रात मानना जा रहा था, अब वो सिस्टम टोटली चेंज कर लिया गया। एंड यू कुड गेट नथिंग फॉर अ डूडू, और कोई भी किसी भी व्यक्ति को एक डूडू में कुछ नहीं मिल पाता था। नो वन कुड गेट एनीथिंग फॉर ए रूपी। पूरा सिस्टम चेंज हो गया। इट बिकेम लाइक एनी अदर प्लेस। दूसरे जगह में जैसा राजकाज देखा जा रहा था, दूसरे राजा लोग अपना राजकाज जैसे चला रहे थे, जिस प्रकार से अपने एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन चला रहे थे, उसी प्रकार से ये लोग भी चलाने लगे। अब कोई डिफरेंसेस नहीं रहा, कोई पिक्यूलरिटी नहीं रहा, कोई अजीब अद्भुत बातें नहीं होते लगे, एक सामान्य हो गया। पूरा राजकाज पूरा सामान्य हो गया। इट केम टू नॉर्मलसी। ओके, नॉर्मलसी वाज रिटेन्ड बाय द गुरु एंड द डिसाइपल। ओके, पीपल started living peacefully without any sort of trouble. So we saw, this is the end of this lesson. So what we saw, how the foolish king and the minister, they themselves put themselves to death. They were put to death by their own tricks. They came into the trick of the guru and the disciple, because once the king said, holy men don't speak lies, they speak the truth. Okay, so they believed the guru's words, okay, the king and the minister, and how they were tricked by the guru and the disciple. And the guru, being a wise person, he was able to save his disciple's life, and not only he was able to save his disciple's life, but also the guru became the king of that kingdom, and his disciple became the minister. So this is a great story which, my dear students, you might have loved to hear this story, and you have enjoyed it. I hope you have enjoyed this story. And then in the next class, because the lesson is finished, I will move on to the multiple choice questions. Okay, so thank you